How to remove email from Roblox account. So if you want to remove email from Roblox account, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Roblox application. Make sure that you've signed into your account. Now, after signing in, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that 3 dots. And from the 3 dots, you need to go with settings. So scroll down and then find settings. Under settings, you need to go with the account info. Under account info, you'll find the email address. Tap on email address. Go with the pencil shaped icon which is on the right side, and from here you'll be able to change your email. So let me tell you one thing, that you won't be able to remove your email, but in order to remove your current email, you need to add another email address. So go with the pencil shaped icon which is on the right side and then add a new email address and tap on change email, and your email will be changed, your current email will be removed and your new email will be added. That's how you can remove your email from your Roblox account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.